guys, today I'm going to show you another slime tutorial. First, you will need shampoo soap or any kind of soap, and 2-in-1 soap or another shampoo. And I already put a little bit of body soap inside and with salt. So you will need a soap, a body soap, shampoo, something to mix in, something to mix with, and salt. You will need to add some pumps of your body soap. Then you need to mix it until it looks like a gel-like. Then you will need to put shampoo. I put 3 little pumps, and now you need to mix it again until it combines. As you can see, it's a little bit gooey. After you mix it, it will become gooey and it's a little bit sticky. So you need to put it into the fridge or freezer for a couple minutes, and every 2 minutes you need to keep checking on it. Let's go to the fridge. So I'm going to put it in the freezer. As you can see, it's a little bit more not sticky. But if it's sticky, you can put it back. But mine is not, so I don't need to put it back. And you can just put water on your hands because it's already soaked, so you can just... This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more slime tutorial videos. Peace.